rented yourself a patio heater, we rent these patio heaters. These are really your typical patio heater, and you have it at your place and you want to turn it on. So today we're going to be doing that. There are actually different styles of starter mechanisms, so we're going to look at two different ones today. The first thing you want to do is you need some propane. So we're going to do this patio first. Interestingly, this one has a little door you can open, while a lot of them also have a body that can kind of lift up and expose the propane down below. This one has a little door. What you want to do is take your propane. Typically, they take 20-pound propane bottles like this, which are your general barbecue, regular sized barbecue propane bottles as well. So if you have a barbecue and you don't want to go to the store for some propane, just use your barbecue propane bottle. Get a 20-pound bottle, put this in your gas hose, affix it to the propane, and open the valve up completely. Make sure this is tight, and then put the propane into the patio heater. You can close the door. And now what you want to do is turn the patio heater on. The most important thing is most of them have instructions. I certainly recommend reading the instructions. Perhaps your model is slightly different, so certainly read the instructions. But they can be a little bit tricky, a little bit wordy. What you want to do is depress this knob, turn it on this model, and hold it for 90 seconds. Here it says, press down the variable control knob and hold it down for 90 seconds. That's key, because that patio heater over there, you're only going to be holding it down for 3 to 5 seconds. The difference here is, for this one, I can't really hear the gas. It's kind of slowly building up pressure as a safety feature. That one releases the gas almost instantly, and you can really hear it kind of fizzing off. And that's how I know the difference, but the other way you know the difference is simply by reading the instructions. Again, this one says hold it for 90 seconds. I can't really hear anything. After 90 seconds, you'll want to click the igniter button. So usually you can do it well before 90 seconds, so I'll do it now and see if the pilot light lights. So yeah, I see the pilot light. You won't be able to see the pilot light, although there is the little window here. Maybe you can see it in there, in that little window. The important thing is, after I click the igniter, I still held on to that knob. I want to hold on to that knob at least for maybe 20-30 seconds more, because sometimes if you release it right away, the pilot light will go off. So I'm holding it for another 20-30 seconds. Now I'm letting go. The pilot light is still lit, so we're all good. Now all you want to do is turn it on, and you can see there that the patio heater has fully lit. And through there, I think it's the best way to see it there. So that's the key. Make sure you read those instructions. If it says 90 seconds, hold it down for 90 seconds. Don't let go. Click the igniter, still holding that knob down. Keep holding it for another 20-30 seconds, and then turn it. So we're going to go ahead and turn this off and go on to this next one. Now, this next one is a much quicker lighting. As you can see in the instructions here, we already put the propane in. It says it's the same kind of style, but you want to only hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds because the gas is releasing instantly. So this one doesn't have that kind of, I guess, that safety feature. It has a different mechanism. So press down, turn it. I can hear the gas. I clicked it to ignite. I'm going to hold it down just for a few more seconds. Let go. And now I can adjust the amount of gas coming out and the amount of flame, respectively. So high, low, you can adjust it after that. So this one lights much quicker, but make sure you know the difference, because if you're holding this one down for 90 seconds, you're gonna build up a lot of gas and there's gonna be a big explosion, and you really don't want that. So read the instructions. If it says 3-5 seconds, hold it down 3-5 seconds. If it says 90 seconds, hold it down for 90 seconds. You will have to hold it down for 60-90 seconds in that case, just to build up that gas. So hopefully that helps. And yeah, stay warm up there. Take it easy. We'll see you later.